Hi guys, welcome to another video of SAP EWM Basics. So in today's session we are going to learn about handling unit management. So this handling unit management is nothing but handling unit HU is main material plus packaging material. So whenever we are going to pack the main material in the packaging material, so that we call as a handling unit. Let's say example like 10 pens we pack in one box. Okay, main material is pen, your box is a packaging material. Such type of 20 boxes are packed in a pallet. So this is a nested HU. So day in and day out, these are the basic terminologies we use in SAP EWM related to handling unit management. HU, empty HU, nested HU, pick HU, source HU, destination HU, shipper HU and planned shipping handling units. So we learn all these terminologies one by one. So as I said, HU means main material plus packaging material. Whenever any material or product is packed in a packaging material, that will call as a handling unit. So it is going to have unique identification number and other attributes like weight, volume, what is the packaging material, HU type. So those are the attributes. Empty HU means, so assume like these handling units are available in the bin. So we keep on picking the material or products from the bin from the HU. So finally only the HU is left over, no main materials are there, then that we call as empty HU. Empty HU means packing material in a bin without main material. So that is empty HU. Nested HU. Here 10 pens are packed in a box, that 20 boxes again packed in a pallet. So this pallet we call as a nested HU. Because HU in HU, box also HU, that box is already packed in a pallet. So nested HU means handling unit in handling unit. Then to understand pick HU, source HU, destination HU, shipper HU, I am going to take one real-time warehouse scenario. So let's say this is a RKW warehouse. So this is a RK10 storage type. So in bin number 1, we have a HU01, X material with 100 quantity. In HU05 also we have a material called Y with 100 quantity. So let's say customer order C1 customer order X material 10 quantity and Y material also 10 quantity. So we go with a pick HU to pick 10 quantity from this bin from this HU. So this HU a box we call as a pick HU. Pick HU could be box, carton, pallet to pick the material from the multiple bins from the inside of the warehouse. So in this case, we go with a box to pick 10 quantity from this HU01. So HU01 already existing in the bin. So that will be source HU. Source HU means already existing in the bin. From that box, we are picking 10 quantity. Then pick HU, in which HU we are going to pick. That is a pick HU. Destination HU, once we move this HU to your destination storage bin 9020 GA zone, so this will be called as a destination HU. So pick HU will become destination HU the moment you confirm the task. Then shipper HU means, let's say we have picked from HU01, HU05 2 HUs, these 2 HUs we have packed and it's ready for loading to ship to the customer, so that we call as a shipper HU. So here pick HU, source HU, destination HU, shipper HU. So pick HU means like whenever you go to supermarket, you take one trolley and you choose your groceries. Once your selection, your shopping is completed, you go to the billing counter for billing purpose. So that cart is itself called as a pick HU. So the same way in the warehouse also, to pick the multiple materials from the warehouse, we use carton, boxes, pallets, that will be called as a pick HU. Then finally PSHU, planned shipping handling units. So whenever this EWM module is integrated with the TM module, transportation management, so TM module will plan which delivery material can be picked in what kind of handling units, how many handling units are required. So that is nothing but PSHU. It is only planned, we haven't picked the material from the warehouse. So that is PSHU. Thank you. These are the basics of SAP EWM, but to know the configuration and testing and whole EWM process, our next batch is going to start on 27th of Jan. Please contact to given numbers. Thank you.